There was a strong cat who works really hard for his child education. The son also works really hard in his studies. Finally, he got selected as a police officer. His father missed him a lot during his son training. He works so hard in his training and finally pass out. Son surprises his father on his birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Wow! He also gifted new car and new house to his father.
I am so proud of you, my son.
The son also nominated for the best police officer in a town.
I am so happy for you, my son. So proud of you.